Okay, so today I'm just going to be doing a cooking video and I'm going to be showing you how to make these. So if you guys want to make them, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is boil your chicken. And I don't trust my sink water because it smells and I don't know, it's not good quality. So I always just buy these from Aldi, they're like 98 cents. And even though I am boiling it, it's like I put the chicken in there before it starts boiling. I don't know, it's gross, so I use this. Sorry. And then I'm just going to put my chicken in, and I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and there's 3 right here. They're about this big, so not too big, and I always like having extras, so I always just use all of them. And then after I put those in, I will show you the spices and the stuff that I cook it with. Okay, so I added the chicken and then I added 2 garlics, but one was really huge, so I just chopped them up. And then I added like 1/4 of an onion. And then I also added some of this, which I just recorded, but I guess it wasn't recording, so. Okay, and then when that stuff is cooking, I like to chop up all the toppings. So I do lettuce, onion, tomatoes, and then I put like cheese, sour cream, and salsa on top, but obviously I don't need to chop up like the sour cream or whatever that stuff, so I'm gonna chop up everything right now. And this is leftover from last night because we had hamburgers. So actually I forgot I had this, so this is perfect, but I'm still gonna need more. Which actually might be enough lettuce, but I'm the only one who eats tomatoes, so that's enough for me, and that's definitely enough onions, so I guess I'm just gonna chop the lettuce then, and I already washed it and everything yesterday. I just like to do it really, like, thin, like shreds, basically. You can buy it already shredded, but I like to just buy the head because I use it for other things. And then I just do that. And this cutting thing I'm using, these are like cutting mats from Walmart. And I really like them because they're really easy to clean and they're super easy to like just bring out, and it comes with a bunch of them. There, I don't have to cut anything really. So the first thing I do is I burn myself with the water from the chicken. And then what I do is I get paper towels, like 4, but you don't want to rip them, you just want to keep them like that. And then I wet it, squeeze it. Open it in half. Get my tortillas. And this is where I put the tortillas in, and then I microwave them. That way they don't rip when you fold them. Huh? So I just put it like that. And then I just microwave it for like, I don't know, like 2 minutes, probably less than 2 minutes. Turned my chicken off and I cooked it for 25 minutes, and I put, you guys saw my 3 that I put in there, but you always want to check out the meat thermometer just because there's different sizes and depending on how much you put in there, you want it to be over 165 or over. So what you want to do while you're cooking your tortillas, or just before or after, you can do it whenever, but is you just want to shred your chicken. And usually I do it in a casserole dish, but I'm just going to do it in this bowl for right now because I want to put the ones I cook in the casserole dish. Actually, whoops, sorry. Oh my god, I keep burning myself because of the way I'm grabbing these, but just throw them in and then just shred them all up. And I don't know why it looks like that, but they're definitely cooked. And then you should definitely save this because it tastes super good. It's like homemade chicken broth, and you can use it for like soups or anything. So I usually don't save mine because I never have anything to make, and the couple times I have saved it I haven't used it, but it does taste really good. And I'm actually gonna make something this time because it's cold and rainy, so some soup would be good. And don't mind this is some grease. I just poured it in there because I didn't have anywhere to put it and it was cooled down and I don't want to dump it down my sink. I'm not gonna use it, but I don't know what to do with it right now, so just shred your chicken. And I need to be quiet already. The best way is to get 2 forks, and I can't really show you because I'm holding my camera, but you want to get 2 like that, and you want to grab this one with your left hand and this one with your right, and you just want to, with one you want to hold it, and then the other one you want to pull away, and it's the easiest way I've found to shred chicken. So after you shred the chicken, you're just gonna want to put some oil in your pan. I just do about probably like that much, and I usually use canola oil, but I actually got corn oil at the store, but whatever you use is fine. Here's how the tortillas are, so they're not gonna break since you microwave them, and I just fold the way that they're going, so I'll fold that way. So what you do is you just get some chicken. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'll show anyways. So you just want to put the chicken in like that, and then I usually do the chicken a little bit to the front, and then you're just gonna roll it, and you're gonna roll it as tight as you can. And then when you go to fry it, you want to put this part right here down, that way it doesn't open up. So I'll show you right now. So get something that you're gonna use for them. I recommend tongs because they're the easiest, but you want to get this side, and this is the side that you want to put down. And my oil needs to get a little bit hotter. Well, actually I guess it's fine. So then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put the rest like that, and then you just flip them like on 4 sides. So the next time you're gonna flip like that, and then you're gonna flip like that, flip like that. And yeah, that's basically all you do. But every time you put it in, you want to make sure you put that side down. And if you don't microwave them, they will break as soon as you try to roll them with the chicken, and they will also break and come apart right here. So you can put toothpicks in them. I used to do that, but I just learned to roll them tight, and they're usually fine. Okay, I got them all fried and on the plate, and this is my husband's plate. He eats a lot, so I'm just gonna add the lettuce, onion, and tomato, and then I'm gonna add some sour cream, some cheese. I usually use the queso fresco, but I don't have any, so I guess we're just gonna have to deal with that. And I don't eat cheese or sour cream, but my husband likes both, so. And then I'm just gonna add some chilies and my salsa, but I left it over there, so I'll see you right now. So I just put lettuce, onion, tomato, and cheese, and I put sour cream, and then that's just regular salsa and avocado salsa, and with some chili. So yeah. Okay, that's everything. That's how I make it. It's super simple and easy, and I don't really feel good, so sorry if I don't seem enthusiastic, but that's why. So if you guys liked it, then please give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and tell me what else you guys want to see. But yeah, I'm gonna eat now, so thank you guys for watching, and bye. Why is it funny? Here, pull it up a little bit. Yeah, but like face it down. Up more.